In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate due date actions in Trello with Butler. If you've ever found yourself juggling tasks, deadlines, and to-do lists, you know how important it is to stay organized. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing all of that, and with its automation feature, you can take your productivity to the next level by letting Trello handle repetitive tasks for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step through setting up due date automations using Butler, so you can focus on what matters most while Trello does the rest. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.trello.com. Once you're on the Trello homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it to continue. Now sign in using your preferred method. You can log in with your email and password, or you can use your Google or Microsoft account if you have those linked. Choose whatever works best for you, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Next, locate and select the Trello board where you want to set up your automation. Your boards will be displayed on the dashboard, so just click on the one you want to work on. Once the board opens, look for 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. These dots open the board options menu, so go ahead and click on them. In the menu that appears, you'll see a section labeled Automation. Select it to access Trello's powerful automation tools. This is where all the magic happens. Now, under the Automation section, you'll find an option that says Create Automation. Click on this option and you'll be taken to a page where you can set up rules based on specific triggers. For due date automation, start by choosing a due date trigger. This determines when the automation will run. For example, you can set it to trigger when a card is due, when it's due within a specific time frame, or even when it's overdue. Select the option that best fits your workflow. Once your trigger is set, it's time to define the actions Trello should perform when the trigger occurs. For example, you might want Trello to move the card to a different list, assign it to a specific member, add a label for categorization, or even post a comment to remind your team of the deadline. Choose the actions that align with your needs. If your workflow requires multiple actions to happen in sequence, you can stack them together. For instance, you could have Trello move a card to a completed list, assign it a green label, and post a task finished comment, all in one smooth automation. When you're happy with your setup, click Save to activate the rule. Trello will confirm that your automation has been successfully created. Finally, take a moment to verify that the rule is active and working correctly. Make sure the cards on your board have due dates that match the trigger conditions you set. Once everything is in place, your automation will take care of the rest, saving you time and effort. And that's it. You've successfully set up a due date automation in Trello with Butler. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.